the flower. And what to tell me? Tell me something.
I love you.
Oh, I love you and I love you forever.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you come with me always?
Always.
No one can replace me in your heart?
Mm.
Oh, galit si Madam. Okay? Now, it's time to blow your candle. Your birthday cake. Okay? Make a wish. Together. Blow. Blow the candle. Oh, happy birthday, my madam. Yeah, I love my madam. Yan, ayan lang guys ang kanyang birthday. Ayan lang ang aking birthday. Simple birthday ng aking madam. Pero mamaya lalabas kami for dinner. Ayan. How old are you? They want to know. One more question. How old are you? They want to hear you. How old are you now?
18.
18. Oh. My madam is only 18 years old. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't forget, my madam is only 18 years old. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Love you, madam.
Bye.